In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Dropbox Sync. First, let's begin by launching Dropbox from the icon tray. You can find the Dropbox icon on your computer's taskbar or system tray. It usually appears as a small box with an open lid. When you click on this icon, a menu will pop up displaying various options related to your Dropbox account. This step is crucial because it gives you access to all the features Dropbox offers, including sync settings. Once you have the menu open, you'll see all the actions you can perform, making it easy for you to manage your files and settings. Next up, you need to locate the sync status, which is right beside your profile photo. This status is represented by a small icon, typically showing a syncing symbol or a check mark. It provides at-a-glance information about the current state of your Dropbox sync. Knowing the sync status is important because it lets you quickly identify whether your files are currently syncing. If the sync is working properly, you should see a green check mark. If not, it may show a pause symbol instead. At this point, it likely will be paused and will state until when the pause is effective. This means Dropbox is not currently syncing your files, which can happen for various reasons. It is essential to be aware of this because if your sync is paused, any changes made to your files will not be updated across your devices until you resume the sync. This could lead to version discrepancies if you are working on multiple devices. Understanding this status helps you keep your files organized and up to date. Now to continue, click on the arrow beside the status and click Resume. This action will reactivate the sync process. When you click the arrow, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with the option to resume syncing. By selecting this option, Dropbox will start syncing your files immediately. You will see the sync status change, indicating that files are now being updated. This step is vital as it ensures that your files are accessible and synchronized across all your devices without any delays. It is important to keep an eye on the sync status periodically. Regularly checking helps you stay informed about the status of your files, ensuring that you do not miss any important updates or changes. This little step saves you a lot of time later and helps maintain your workflow without interruptions. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Dropbox sync settings. Having your files synced properly means you can access them from anywhere on any device. This flexibility is one of the many advantages of using Dropbox. In summary, always start by launching Dropbox from the icon tray, then locate the sync status next to your profile photo. Be mindful of whether the sync is paused and until when it is effective. Finally, remember to click the arrow beside the status to resume syncing. Your files will stay current and accessible, making your work much easier. Thank you for following along. Now you know how to start Dropbox Sync effectively. Happy syncing!